I started by doing a rough sketch of the plan of my idea and concept for the canvas painting, and then I printed out a picture of the ribbon that I was going to draw, and then I drew it, and then I painted over it in black paint in the center of the canvas, and I made sure to document it before I collaged onto it. All of the collage elements were meant to show passing of time, and so the whole piece became this sort of journal and documentation of my self-expression and exploring this gender identity. I then began to distress parts of the canvas, so showing like shading marks and creating like dirty areas where it looks like things have been put on and then taken off, because I wanted to show that I'd create the illusion that I'd covered the entirety of the canvas, including the ribbon, and then decided to peel back additional collage pieces to show the ribbon, to show that I'm accepting my true identity. I used a range of old photos and new photos and memorabilia and poems that all had relevance to about myself and had a meaning to me. And I used quite a lot of them so that the piece would become quite overwhelming and you can tell there's so much time and personality in it. I then began my process of deconstruction, and I wanted to show the passing of time and so make it look aged and worn. And I decided to cut away and certain pieces around the ribbon, and also I waxed some of the dried elements down, and I splattered ink on it and shaded it with pencil, just made it look really old, like it had been through a lot. I find the ribbon area probably the thing you're most drawn to, as it's like the most simplest area. And I really enjoy how it's cut away because it symbolizes how everything on the canvas, all these thoughts and memorabilia, are being held by this tied knot. And I really enjoy how it looks in front of my face as it becomes sort of like a viewfinder. So you view, because it's like such a personal insight into my own life, it's like you're viewing that through the ribbon.